Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, it's getting a little nipply out, so we gotta start bringing our jackets with us. I'm not ready for fall at all, but yeah, it's what's talked about living in PA. So today we are going to go look at something. Just scratch on my lens. We're going to look at a building. I'm just gonna say that, a building, and I'm excited. I'm going to look at it with Ty with the GTR, and then Gary takes all the pictures. You guys know them. Sounds so good. We're supposed to be meeting up with the guy around 2 o'clock. I'm gonna go run to the car wash, and I gotta stop at Subaru, and I gotta grab some transmission fluid because we put some parts on the car and leaked some fluid, so it's time for a change. I don't even know why I went this way to get to freaking Dairy Street. So we had to pull over and put on the FPV camera, which is a little goofy looking, but it's okay. Who cares what people think? Not me, not anymore. The exhaust system is not complete. I'm about to order the Tomei. As I said in the last video, I'm like this close to just sending it and ordering it. It's an exhaust I've always wanted ever since I got the car, and now that I have a decent job that I can afford to get it, I think I'm gonna do it, and then I'll have the full Tomei setup. People are probably thinking, what the heck is this guy doing? Look at me. Can you guys see me? It's not a bad idea though. It's pretty good. It's like perfect. One thing about this hat, messes my hair up. Oh, look at the kids in the car looking back. Like, what's that guy wearing? Just the GoPro. Don't worry, it's a GoPro. They're just looking. Why? Must be some kind of muscle car show or something. There's like a bunch behind me. Trans Am and a Camaro. No turn signal, nice. POV hat going away. Time to wash this baby. So I've been using some McGuire's wheel cleaner, which works pretty good. It's all I've been using. I haven't really tried anything else, but I'm probably gonna try and get some Adams. That's what Ty uses, and he said it's pretty good. So we're gonna give it a shot someday, soon. Meet up with Ty, and then we're gonna probably head over to Subaru quick, pick up my parts. Then by that time, Gary should be on his way to meet us and off to see our new secret.
Operated a vehicle on a highway with no headlight system as required. Right headlight out. That's what he put.
You put your headlights out.
General lighting requirements. Police warning notice.
They can't do anything, dude. Your headlights.
Dude, I'm telling you, bro. He pulled me over just to talk to me. Dead ass.
We're gonna go get some Chick-fil-A, and I'm gonna ride in the GTI. I've never ridden in the left side. I've driven from the right, but I've never ridden in the left. I cannot wait, man. The amount of reactions we get in this thing is nuts. We literally drove 5 minutes to Chick-fil-A and had like what, 4 people say something?
Oh yeah.
And like 20 people staring. It's crazy. Gary showed up in the Fit. You say what's up to the vlog?
What's up?
What's up, vlog?
What's up, vlog?
Alright guys, so we just got back to Sheets. We're actually gonna split up for a bit and then we're gonna meet back up later and we're gonna head out to Lancaster for a little pop-up car show. So hopefully it's pretty legit.
It's pretty legit.
Alright guys, just made it to the meet. Definitely not what we expected, but I think we're getting kicked out anyway, so hopefully we do. And then we can go do something better. Cops are here. That is, let me tell you what, let me tell you something. That is one ugly Ford. That is an ugly Ford. That is an ugly Ford. I can't say it enough. On out, we're gonna go swing through Sheets or something, see if anybody else is out before we head back. So we did drive half an hour one way, but the cops are definitely salty. But you got retards that keep revving their cars, their Hondas and stuff, and it's trying to do burnouts. It's kind of annoying. But don't be that guy. Guess what? We're back at Chick-fil-A 2 times in one day. This is like, is this the first? I don't know if this is the first. This might be a second time doing this, but yeah, Chick-fil-A is good. Everywhere we go, always getting the attention. This guy back here in the Honda, he's liking mine, so that's a plus for me. L for Ty.
So I forgot to make an ending to the video, so I'm just gonna add a voiceover in. And if you guys like today's video, as always, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and go watch a couple more of my videos. I'd truly appreciate it. See you guys next video. Peace out.